Okay, let's have the live. Thank you so much for your participation in our pre-test. This time, I will share to you this activity for you to participate more. This is on the Mentimeter. So please.
Are you going to share your screen on that?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, let's have the live. To participate more, this is on the Please go to www.mentimeter. Let me first check. Ma'am G, do you want to participate?
No, I don't know how to do that.
Go to www.mentimeter.
My goodness, you're giving me headache.
www.menti.com. www.menti.com. Use the code for 1739889.
Wait.
www.menti.com.
How do you say that, Menti?
MENTI.
MENTI.com.
And the code is 41739889.
Buta ko dayon ang code dyan or later?
Later.
Okay.
If you ask to write the code.
What's the code?
4173.
Wait.
9889. In your screen.
Code is found on the screen in front of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 nakabutang.
Change to 4173 9889, please, ma'am.
Wait lang. Hindi tayo na mag-delete. You see, this is what I do not like when it comes to this technology. Sige lang. I-try lang natin. Ano no? What's the code?
4173.
Okay. 4173.
9889.
9889. 41739889. Then submit.
Yes.
Am I correct? Okay. What am I supposed to do? Answer also? Enter your name. My God.
So we have 2 participants now.
Then join quiz. I don't know how to answer your test. Get ready to play question 1 of 5. Okay.
Reviewees, please go to www.menti.com and use the code.
Yes, please do so. Also, those who are watching on our live streaming on Facebook, you can also follow. Can they,
YouTube.
Devi? Yeah.
This is live streaming in the YouTube, Ma'am G.
They can follow also.
YouTube.
So they can access that through YouTube.
Yes.
You just
I will just
instruct them.
share the link. I will just share the link sa FB group.
Just tell them what to do. Actually, I do not know.
Okay. Another one.
Wait. My goodness. Okay. Ready? What am I supposed to do after this? Get ready. Answer fast to get
we will
point.
just wait for another one or two to
Sign in.
join the quiz. So we can have
Okay.
at least five to join.
Okay. You tell me what's the answer so I can get 5 points.
Next two, please.
Okay. Guys, it's okay kung mas mataas ang score nyo kaysa sa akin. I like it. Expect nothing from me when it comes to mathematics.
You can use your code name, not the real name I know.
To hide your identity.
To hide your identity, yes, Ma'am G. Just code name. One last, then we will start. Once at a time, then we will have the discussion of these 5 sample items. One last.
Silent reading lang pala, silent reading. Ipapamalaan mo ako na mati sa pagsabat mo sa question. Kaya mo instruction mo, silent reading.
Yes, you're the one to read the item and select your correct answer. No more? It's okay. Let's start.
Where are we gonna put the answer?
Just select the correct answer among the choices on G.
Okay, sige. So I cannot hide my identity anymore.
Okay, let's start.
Answer fast
to get more points. This is a competition quiz.
One.
Go.
Question.
Within the allotted time, just the correct answer. I will project later the leaderboard.
May question na ba, Dev?
Yes.
My goodness. Amo nagali na.
Go. You have still 5 seconds.
I thought may ano pa.
Time is up. Okay. So,
I thought may question pa.
Answered. And there are 2 who got correct answer. So congratulations for these 2. And they are, let us see the leaderboard. Sorry to not right. And Joyel. Next. Ready for the next item?
I was waiting for the question.
Next question. Okay. Enjoy it. Let's start. Go.
12. Well, I do not know. This is just a good guess. I hope it's a good guess. Ayoko mag-compute. Guess lang ng guess. Diba naka-answer kagad ako in 5 seconds. Kasi hindi ako nag-isip eh.
That is up. Let us see. Oh, you have different answers. There is one who got the correct answer. And let us see the leaderboard who is now. Okay, Joyel. Manglibre ang daog karon.
Ay, mapapirdi ako.
Next one. We will discuss, don't worry. This is just 5 items. And we will have the discussion. We will have another set later. Okay, third question. Answer within the allotted time.
Parang feeling ko minus to eh. Hindi na ako mag-iisip para hindi ako manglibre.
Libre ang self. Ilibre ang self. We will recognize the first in the rank.
Time is up.
Time
My
is
God,
up. And there are two who get to the correct answer. Let's see.
Oh, really?
Next question. I mean the leaderboard first. Oh, we have Anne in the first place. Let's solve the fourth question. Fourth question. Okay, did you choose your answer now? Time is up. And to get the correct answer, congratulations. To leading now is Anne. Let us see in the last question for this first set.
Sino pang eskwela wala ginapilit? Wala ti mayad ra, wala ti mayad nga resulta ra. Kanugon lang.
Okay, let us see who is now leading in the first set of our quiz. And it's Anne. So congratulations, Anne. And next in the rank is Joyel. Let me stop my sharing of screen. Okay, we will have the second set later. Let's have first the discussion on the items shared to you. Okay. So we have the first item on okay. The sequence. You are given the sequence reviewees 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. What would be the next to 25? And that is before 49. So if given the sequence, try to look for the pattern on this sequence. Try to get the relationship of one digit or each term to another term, just like this 1, 4, 9, going to 16. So in this portion, let me see. Controller. Okay. This has a pattern of 1 using the consecutive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that is being squared, or the number each of the consecutive number is being multiplied itself. So what would be the next in the sequence? Ma'am,
Deb, you're not sharing your screen daw, may nag-chat.
just try to tap the screen, ma'am. Try to tap your screen or landscape or your viewing.
May nag-chat, wala ka kung nag-share screen. We cannot see your screen actually.
Yes.
Are you sharing number 1, 2, 3, 9, 5?
Yes. Let me have the new sharing of screen. Stop share ko na. Again, sharing of screen. Can you now see the screen? Ma'am G?
Yes, it's bigger now.
How about others? Can you now see the screen? Okay. Okay na, ma'am. Oh, thanks. So, with the sequence 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, a known number, a known term in the sequence, next is 49. So, what is the unknown number in the sequence? So, as I said, try to look for the pattern and relate one term to the next term. 1, 4, 9, 16 came from the consecutive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. That each of the consecutive numbers is being squared, or multiply each of the consecutive number to itself, the number itself. 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 4, 16. 5 times 5, 25. So what is the next in the consecutive number? 6. So try to square it or multiply the 6 to itself. And that is 36. Next to 36 is 49 from the pattern 7 square, or 7 times 7 after 6. Okay? Let's proceed to the next item. How about this 32 over 38?
Ma'am,
Yes,
excuse
Ma'am
me, Ma'am.
G.
Are you going to entertain question or while having
Yes.
the review? Or
anyone could unmute and try to raise your concern. Yes, Ma'am G. Okay.
Thank you. Okay.
So next item, 32 over 8 equals 12 minus what number? Or the other way is 32 over 8. It could be written as correctly. 32 over 8 equals 12 minus what number? Or that is 12 divided by 8. I mean 32 divided by 8. It is also interpreted as 32 divided by 8. When you divide 32 by 8, what is the answer? Make it in the technique or the strategy is to simplify first the fractions that could be reduced into lowest term. Or if that two numbers can be divided, try to divide first. 32 divided by 8. Anyone could unmute and you could participate. So there, by dividing 32 and 8, it is 4.
Yes, let's make this discussion participative and live through your participation. Para interaction, para daw ano man balaman, mamanaan nyo.
Anyone is encouraged to unmute to participate in the discussion. So we have now the equation 12. 4 equals 12 minus what number? So we will just look for that number that will be subtracted from 12, and the result is 4. What is that number? In the Mentimeter quiz, you chose what number?
8, ma'am. 8.
You got the correct answer. Yes, MJ, correct. That's 8. So we will put here 8. 12 minus 8, and it will become 4. And to make it to make the equation correct. Thank you, MJ. The 12 minus 8, so we have the correct equation. So shall we proceed to the next item? So we will have another set of Mentimeter quiz for you to participate or answer to answer each of the, the 5 sample items in the second set of Mentimeter. 1,000. We have the given here in the next item. 1,792. Then what is the next number? Followed by 112, followed by 28, and 7. What do you think is the pattern? Still, this is a sequence. The technical strategy is to look first the simpler two consecutive numbers. Two terms in the sequence that are beside each other, I mean. Just like 28 and 7. What is the relationship of 28 and 7? To make it 7, what are you going to do with 28, with this 28 to make it 7? Operations like multiplying to itself, or I mean, multiply, add, subtract, or divide. So what operation shall we use to get 7 out from the 28? If we subtract it by, diba, by 20, it will be 21 to make it 7. Can we use the 21 from 112 to get 28? The what is sense. So look for other operation. We were going to try to divide this 28 by what to get 7. Anyone to unmute, please? Really? 28 divided by what number to make it 7? It's
4, ma'am.
Oh, divide by 4. So this will become 7. Try to divide 112. Try to validate this. 112 divided by 4. Is the answer 28? So try to validate. And we will use divided by
Yes, ma'am. 28.
4. Okay, MJ, thank you for your response that 112 could be divided by 4 to get 28. So that is the pattern. We will divide the number by 4 to get the next number. So this first term in the sequence will be also divided by 4. That's the pattern, dividing each term in the sequence by 4 to get the next term. What is the answer?
448.
Okay, so that is 448 as in the Mentimeter quiz projected a while ago. Okay, so that is looking for the pattern, the strategy in solving math
Yeah, I
problem.
think that's the correct answer kanina.
Yes, I am projecting the correct answer, and this time we are discussing it, how we arrive with the correct answer. Next item. Which of the following is less than the ratio of 1:7? 1:7 could also be written as 1/7 or 1 divided by 7. They are the same. 1:7 is the same as 1/7 or 1 divided by 7. So which of the following is less than? If they have the same, if they have the same numerator, the lesser the denominator, the lesser the number in the denominator has a greater value.
1/9.
1/9, as said by Gemma. Yes, you are correct, ma'am. If we have the same numerator, the lesser the number in the denominator, then has a greater value. Okay? So 1/2, di ba? 1/2 versus 1/9. So lesser ang part ng
Remember your
1/9.
pie chart?
Yes. Okay. Let's solve the so this is what already the fifth, how many item? Did I project to you? 1, 2, how many items na? 5? First, this is the first. Second,
3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Fifth.
4.
And we will have the another step to assess your numerical reasoning. Next, which of the following has two numbers that are both whole number multiples of 6? Which of the following has two numbers that are multiples of 6?
24, 28, 42, ma'am.
Yes. And answered by Gemma. So
Miss
let's
Gemma.
verify.
Okay.
Let's check. From 24, we have the multiples, diba, of 6 from the factor 6 times 4. So as 6 is one of the factors of 24, then it is also the multiples also of 24 has multiples of 6. Same with 42. It has multiple of 6 from the factors. To get 42, we have factor 6 times 7. And even if we have no multiples of 6 in 28, because we are just searching for each of the choices that has two numbers with multiples of 6. And the first choice, only, yes, 6 has multiple of 6 itself. Next, in the second choice, we only have 18 that has multiple of 6, and the other two choices has only one number that has multiple of 6.
Okay.
Okay?
Miss Deb. Miss
Yes,
Deb.
Ma'am G.
Something, although this is not how you solve the problem of that kind of problem. But the point here is, guys, look at that sentence. It's very tricky, no? Because you have three. Akala nyo siguro yung 3 ang iaan ninyo, i-consider nyo. But look at the sentence. Two numbers, yung gin-highlight ni Miss Devi. So you have
So
to
these
be...
are the two numbers.
Yes. Kasi kung minsan, akala natin yung tatlong yun ang papasunodin natin, no? We're going to look at how the three numbers are used consecutively. But look at the sentence, it says two numbers that are both, no?
Yes.
So be
Thank
very
you, Ma'am
careful.
G.
Very careful in that kind of questioning. That's very tricky.
Yes.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you for the sharing, Ma'am G, for the tip. Let's have let us see. Let's have the second set. Let us see if the leading in the next set will be still Anne and the second is Joyil. Second set, go to www.mentimeter now for the second set.
Parang gusto ko yan.
Well, please reward yourself kung nag-lead sa quiz.
Are we going to say join another quiz?
Oo, Ma'am G.
Okay.
Let me present the second Mentimeter.
I mean different code.
Yes, the different code, Ma'am G. So this is now
The different code.
okay. This time we have the second set of Mentimeter. Please join
Code,
again
please.
to assess your numerical reasoning. When I say numerical reasoning, you will be test of your math skills.
So can we have the code?
Yes, Ma'am G. The code is 28941292.
28941292. Submit.
So we have two participants now, waiting for
Okay.
others. We have already 4. Who else?
Come on, guys, you join.
Okay.
The more, the merrier.
Okay, we have now 5 participants for this. Next set of Mentimeter quiz. Okay? Look at your phone. Answer this one.
If you divide 18 by 6 and then multiply the answer by 4. I think you have 8.
Ma'am G, you
Wow,
are...
Hindi ako nag-iisip.
Time is up. So out of 4 who answered this item, 3 got the correct answer. So you must answer this as fast as you can, so you will be the leading in this Mentimeter quiz. And we have Heartstorm leading, as projected by our leaderboard. Next question. Okay, who's now leading? Out of 4, there are 2 who got the correct answer. Congratulations. And now leading is now BI, in the code name BI. Next is Joy. Next. Okay, 2 got the correct answer on this item. Leading now is leading now is still B. Or BI, I mean. Question number 4. Ma'am G, you are in the rank 3.
I mean,
How about this item? Why is it, May Sarah? One didn't get the correct answer. Sige, let's have the last. Still, BI is the leading in our Mentimeter quiz. Last question for this set. Okay, to get the correct answer. And let's see who's leading in this set of quiz. Okay, we have BI as the fastest one who for this Mentimeter quiz. Second, Joy, congratulations. And let's discuss how that those are the correct answer. Let me stop share screen first. BI, who's BI? Sorry. Congratulations for this second set of our Mentimeter quiz. Let's discuss each of the items. Okay, the first in the Mentimeter is that what number do you get if you divide 28 by 7 then multiply the answer by 8? Can you see my screen? My sharing of screen?
Yes, yes.
Sige.
Yes, it's clear.
Just operate or yes, operate each of the operation. If you divide 28 by 7, divide first 28 by 7 and that is
4.
30.
yes, MJ 4.
4
Next, after
times
getting
8.
the 4, it is then multiplied.
2.
We will multiply the answer by 8. So we have
32.
32.
32.
32.
Next, how many got the correct answer in this item? And what is the answer? What should be the answer? When the number, what number do you start if you multiply it by 4, then double it and get the answer 200? You can do the strategy of looking back, working backward, but you can also try to make use of each of the choices following the operation given in the problem. Multiply it by 4, then double it. The answer is 200. If you try to multiply 5 by 4,
20.
20, and that is 20. When you multiply, double it, or times 2, that is times 2, double, times 2. That is 40, and 40 is not the number that we are looking for.
Yeah,
We are
correct
looking for
answer.
200. So let's try 10.
20.
10 times
Yes.
4, 40 times 2.
30.
The result is 80, not. How about 15? 15 times 4. MJ, 15 times 4?
60.
60
60.
times 2.
120.
120.
120.
Oo, but we are looking for 200. How about 20? 20 times 4.
80.
80.
80. 80 times 2, 160, not. How about, so may last na lang. So it's one choice remaining. 24 plus, times 4.
That's
Yes.
100.
That is 100.
25.
Yes, 25 is the answer, di ba? 100 and double it. That is times 2.
200.
200. So, okay. So just, you can have this strategy of making use of the choices to get the what is being asked. So you can have also looking backward. What is the working backward strategy? From the 200, it says here that you are to double it. Diba? Double it, 200. What is the opposite?
200.
Divide. What is the opposite of double? Doubling the number. It is dividing by 2. So what is the answer?
100.
From the 100, 100 resulted from a number being multiplied by 4 to make it 100. What is the opposite of multiplying 4? What is the opposite of multiplying 4? Multiplying by 4, still, the opposite is
Division.
dividing by 4. Divide 100 by 4. What is the answer? 25. So this one, this strategy, you are leading to the accurate answer. Without any more guessing or trying each of the choice. Here, use working. We used working backward.
Yeah. And I think
Okay.
that's even
Anyone?
better.
Any
No, I
reaction? You
mean,
can make use of the reaction so I could uh see whether you really appreciate the discussion. I mean the way, the strategy that is being presented to you. Thank you, Camille, for the heart that you really heart the strategy that I shared to you. Okay, thank you. Next
yeah,
item.
but
This
yeah,
is now the third. Okay, first, second, third. Third question in the set. 120 centimeters is equal to how many millimeters? Can you still?
12,000.
So can you still from the basic unit in the length meter? Next is decimeter. Next centimeter, and then millimeter. Just the technique is just moving the decimal point of the given numerical data going to the next unit of measure. We are given with 120 centimeters, and the decimal point is located here after the zero. So we want to move to centimeter by just one movement. So we will just have one movement, that is
1,200 dali.
multiplying by 10. So multiplying by 10 is the same as moving one place to the right. We have 1,200. So this is now the equivalent of 120 centimeters to millimeters. Uh, for the review, we have still at the left, going to the left, we have decameter, di ba? Hectometer, 2 kilometer, di ba? Hecto. Meter, then kilometer. So just the basic review of how to convert. You are given with this. Let's try this 120 centimeters to meters. What would be the value of 120 centimeters to meters? We have how many movements going to meter? 2 movements. So let's move this 120 by 2 places
1,
to
2,
the left. So the equivalent of
3, 4.
1.2. So the equivalent of 120
1.2.
centimeter is 1.2
2 meter.
meters.
Okay.
Okay? Just a review. Just make use of moving to the right, to the left from one unit to another unit. Strategy or technique na lang
Yeah, guys, so
for you to be yes, Ma'am G?
be very observant. Yeah, be very observant of the technique.
Yes.
Yeah. So dapat ganaan man inyo kung paano ang pasunod kang KMHM nga react.
There is a mnemonic to remember that the sequence of the unit of measurement. May mnemonic
Ma'am.
we will dano ganira.
Hindi Ma'am Deb, ano ko lang dali.
Yes. We will there is a mnemonic. Anyone who could share?
I think we will guys make it a point na handouts for this.
There is a mnemonic, the King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Let's see. Let's see the sequence.
Yeah,
King
balikan.
for KM, King Henry for HM, died starts with letter D. Died starts with letter D. Died by we have basic because of word nga by. King Henry King Henry died by drinking. D. Drinking chocolate milk. A mnemonic being given. The Google gives me this mnemonic. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. To remember easily the sequence of the unit of measures.
Ay tanan mga
You
punta
can
ng
have
the M mo, no? Meters.
yes, Ma'am G,
All you have to-
they can
all you have
make use
to
of
remember.
their they can use their own mnemonic to better remember the
Yes.
sequence of the unit of measurement. Okay?
Yes. Baka pwede
This
na andyan
is
si
now
forever, no?
yes, they
Para
could
mas very
personalize the
inspiring.
mnemonic. Okay. This is the fourth item in the set. If the square has an area of 64 meters square, what is the length of its side?
8.
Sorry. Oh my gosh. I am projecting to you. Diba? Sorry.
Sakto man.
Oh my gosh. Ma'am G, I am projecting to them the parallel question. Diba? In the Mentimeter quiz, I projected to them 25 meter square. Can you still
I think
remember?
it's
Yes, ma'am.
Participant,
ma'am.
reviewees. Oh, sorry. So, this is now the parallel items from the quiz.
yeah.
Oo, sorry.
Ibang number lang. Sige lang.
In the Mentimeter, we have
25.
given 25.
Square meter. Oh. Meter
So the
square.
parallel question here is if we are given with 64 meters square. So in the correct answer from the 25 meters square is 5. The 5 is the side. 5 meters is the side. If we are given with 64 meters, then what would be?
8.
Okay, so 8 is now the side. A area of square is S square. You can have the strategy that if the area is 64 meters square, so we have to think of the number, a number being squared, the answer is 64. What is that? 8, diba? 8. So we are sorry, Ma'am G, it should be the post test. I am projecting to them the post test. Sige lang. At least, parallel question. So, it's 8. Okay. In the Mentimeter quiz, you are also given this, in the Mentimeter quiz, you are to get what is a number less than this given number. So how will we get the answer if we are given this question? That is we are just making use of the subtraction, that this 200 less than 20,696 will be subtracted by
700.
700. So what is now the answer?
19,996.
Sorry, 92. 96 I mean.
Baka baka may magtalang naman ha.
Less than we will making use first of 20,696 and subtract it by, okay? This is the answer.
Again, this is just a matter of understanding the question. Because some of you might think you are having the less. So be very careful. Dapat pag math precise.
Last set. Ma'am G, could we have the last set or we will have that in this next session. Ma'am
So
G.
this is the last. Yeah.
We still have the third. We will just have we had just had the two sets. Last set
Okay.
of Mentimeter quiz, and we will have the parallel items for the discussion. Okay.
You mean discuss ka pa?
I prepared 5 sets of Mentimeter quiz, Ma'am G. Last one.
So
This is the third. Last?
okay, sige.
Sige.
Yes, because
Para sulit. Para sulit. Okay.
Yes, please go on.
Oo. Third set.
Okay.
Sorry, I am discussing the parallel question, Ma'am G. Is it okay? The same yes, para sulit how the items are being replicated.
Oo.
Oo. Same same competency. Okay, let us now the third Mentimeter. Are you ready?
Yep. We're waiting for the code.
Ma'am G, I am projecting now the new code.
Sorry.
Let's
39649069. Because I'm using my ano yan? 3964.
3964
we have the first avatar here already.
3964. May 5 na?
39649069. We have 2 participants now.
69. Okay. Sige.
Okay, 4. Do you have still another one to join? Let's start. Answer fast to get more points.
Na-lost connection ako.
Si Camille, ma'am, nag-lost. Oo.
39649069. 3964 39649069. Ay. What? 396469.
Okay, all got the correct answer. Congratulations. However, the fastest to get the correct answer was BI, still BI. Code name BI. Next is I, and then M. Let's see the second item.
My God. Salamat.
Okay. Only 2 got the correct answer on this item. Leading now is wow, BI. Okay. And next now is M. Okay, only one get the correct answer. Sorry. Okay, let's have the fourth. We will have the leaderboard later. Okay, let us see now who's leading and who is the fastest to answer the correct, to get the correct answer. Still BI. Then the second in the rank is M, third Anne. Congratulations to three of you. Frosty is in the fourth in the rank. Sige. Let's have the discussion of how could we get the question, the answer to the problem if we have given problem about the place value in the number. So in the Mentimeter, we have 100,000 for the answer. And if you are given with, well, with this question, what is the highest place value in the number 15,209? Highest value, the place value, as we try to review, this is ones, tens, hundreds,
10,000.
thousands, 10,000s, di ba? And the next would be 100,000. So this time, the answer is 10,000.
10,000.
Thank you. Next, how about this another parallel question? Parallel question in our Mentimeter quiz. Which of the following divides exactly by 7? Can you still get the correct answer? Which of the following divides exactly by 7? So try to divide it by 7 each of the items, and which of the choice will make that true. 47 divided by 7 cannot be. 67 divided by 7 cannot. 87 cannot be divided by 7. How about 112 by
112.
7?
Yes, 112.
Mentally, from 11 divided by 7, it is 1, di ba? 1. We still have the difference. Get 7 from 11. 1, there is 1, 7. We still have 4, 2, 4 tens tana, then 40 plus 2, 42. We still have 42 divided by 7, 6. So can be divided. The first number that can be divided by 7, please choose that number and do not proceed down to the next number, because you already look or selected or found, you already found the number that could be divided by 7. So that is 112. Next, how about this sequence? 256, 64, 16, 4, 1. Next in the sequence. Try to look again for the pattern. What did we do for 4 to get 1? What are we going to do with 16 to get 4? What are we going to do with 64 to get 16? Anyone? Miss Jem?
Multiply, ma'am. Multiply. Multiply 4 by 4
Okay.
equals 16.
You tried to work it backwards, di ba? Backwards ka, 1 times 4, 4. 4 times 4, 16.
16 times 4, 64. And
The other way
answer
around
is
is divide by the other way.
4.
Okay, we need to get the relation of 1 to the next. Or I mean the next term after 1. We divide it by 4. 64 divided by 4. Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
And even 4 divided by 4 here. 4 still divide by 4. 4 divided by 4 to get 1. Diba? So, what are we going to do with 1? Still, divide it by 4. What is the answer? If 1 will be divided by
1/4,
4.
ma'am.
Yes, Miss Jem. 1/4. Okay? Again, look for the pattern. How about this parallel item from our Mentimeter quiz? Which of the following number can be divided by both by 4 and 3?
28. Ay, 24. 24.
24. Okay.
28.
Yes, MJ.
24.
Oh, you cannot both divide by 4 and 3. You can
24.
divide 15 by 3, but cannot be by 4. 16
4?
can be divided by 4, but not by 3. 21 could be divided by 3, but not 4. How 24? Could be divided by 4, that the result is 6. Divide by 3, the result is 8. How about 28? Could be divided by 4 to make it
Cannot.
7, but cannot be divided by 3. Both. You should take into consideration that it is both divided by the word both divided by 4 and 3. We have last good man. Is it?
No, ma'am, no.
May amo parallel question, parallel item.
Rara kay na, ma'am.
Amo lang to. Both lang no. Ano? This is the last parallel item.
I think we don't have the fraction kanina.
Okay. The
Wala.
ano, it was okay, sige. Let's just answer this item.
Yeah, answeran.
'Anybody?
40, ma'am. 40%.
40%?
60%.
MJ? Sige. 3/5. Try to divide by, as I said, 3/5 is the same as 3 divided by 5.
0.6.
Sige. And that is 0.6. Okay. 0.6. But because we are given with the we are asked for the equivalent to percentage, that is by multiplying 100%.
60%.
Another technique here, if we are to divide by 100%, how many zeros are there in 100? We could consider that one by moving the decimal point 2 places to the right, since there are two zeros as technique. So we have to move 0.6 2 decimal places to the right, 1, 2. That is the same as multiplying 100%. Since we are multiplying 100%, annex it by percent sign. Okay, the other way, we just divide 3 by 5 to get the decimal, multiply it by 100%. The other one is to consider 3/5. We want it by 100%. We would like it to have 100 in the denominator. Another technique, we need to make it 100%, diba? So 100% or 60%, just like 60%, this is in fraction 60/100. That is 60/100. Just like this one. They are the same. So we need it to have 100 in the denominator. What are we going to do with 5 to get 100? The given is 3/5. Multiply 5 by what to get 100? Unmute, please. Multiply by what number?
20.
20 to get 100. So that would be also the same number to be multiplied in the numerator to get what is being asked in the problem. That is 60. And 60 over 100 in percent is 60%. You can have that another technique in converting the fraction into percent. 60. Okay? So we have the Mentimeter quiz, and I presented to you a parallel question for you to again select the correct answer. And we are done with the three sets of numerical reasoning sample test items. Sorry for the overtime. Thank you so much, everybody. I still have the two sets, but the time doesn't permit to us to present.
Yes.
We will still have more sessions, diba, Ma'am G? We will just
Oo.
have the schedule again.
Okay. I think
Why not? And within this week, we could also try to spare. I could spare
yes.
still my time, Ma'am G, within this week.
Yes, yes.
Mm-mm.
Yes. We're just going to give you the schedule. But how I wish it could be MWF or TTH para at least may continuity yung inyong lessons. Ang flow of thinking nyo is parareho. Actually, we're waiting for Sir Crespo, but since he is very busy, so I tapped Ma'am Devi to have the review ay para hindi man kamo dyan hinulat bala. And also, can we continue on tomorrow or Tuesday? What do you think?
Ma'am G, other day, so Tuesday.
Okay, so we're going
to resume the session by Tuesday.
And
review is I'd end Thursday to finish my ma'am, to finish
okay.
the review for the material that I prepared for them, ma'am, on the numerical reasoning, Ma'am G.
Okay, so you're going to give them the post test on Wednesday, Thursday?
We could have, yes, Ma'am G.
Okay, or probably we can have the post test on, let's just see the flow of topic kung makakaya ni Ma'am Debbie.
Miss Anne, thank you also. Thank you, moms, for refreshing the topic. Thank you also for your participation. Ma'am G, for the last word for them, thank you.
Yes, how I wish, guys. How I wish we can start on time para at least mahaba-haba ang discussion na matakal ni Miss Devi. So let's wait until Tuesday. Have a good night's sleep and be safe. So thank you again, Ma'am Debbie.
Keep safe also, everybody. God bless. Thank you. Good night. I will end now our Zoom